Today I thought I'd do an unboxing of my Herbalife box I just got. I've already cut it open, but I haven't looked inside. So let's do that now. So today I got natural vanilla flavor protein drink mix. And this is what you're going to want to mix with your Formula One shakes I showed you the other day. I also got instant soup, and this is, see if I can get it without it looking, chicken and vegetables flavor. There you go. And I got one of these. I haven't tried these yet, but Herbalife Nutrition for the 24-hour athlete. It's Formula One Sport, and it's creamy vanilla flavor. I thought it would be kind of like a sports drink, so I thought I'd give that a try. I've got my packing slip. This one is also a protein drink mix, and this is natural vanilla flavor, I believe. Yep. And then the last thing I got was these super cool measuring spoons that measure the perfect amount every time. They were only like $2. I thought they were cool, so I got those. And I will show you how to use these in another video that I'm going to do really soon. Thanks for watching.